So I got some surprises for you. I found this in my mailbox just now. I'm very surprised that last time I ordered seeds from this seed provider online, Plant World, it took much longer to arrive, but it's here. Maybe not all the seeds are here, but I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. So let's take a look, shall we? So I got all my seeds now, so I need to run to the convenience store and buy me some containers, some pots for these. So these are the seeds that I got. Has some baobab tree seeds I'm going to try, some red dragon seeds, and I can't pronounce this, Butuea monosperma. I'm guessing that's a naughty plant. And here we have a Bahina purpurea. Yeah, and oh, there's so many naughty ones. Pterospermum acerifolium. And these are the ones that I ordered, and I got a freebie as well. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to plant it for sure. So I'm going to link to this website that I'm ordering from because they're really cool. They give you a discount when you've ordered before, and like you can see here, they give you a freebie as well of a random seed. So that is very cool. I can't wait to plant these seeds and show you the results. So the first seeds I'm going to show you are the Butuea monosperma, and they're also known as flame of the forest, and they're a tree species from Southeast Asia, and they are trees and they have lovely red flowers, and they have the weirdest looking seeds. Take a look. This is what they look like. Look, all flat, like wood chips. Weird. They kind of have veins on them. Really cool. That'll be interesting to see how that develops. So yeah, flame of the forest, 3 seeds. And here are one of the species of climbers I'm going to have besides my morning glories, which is the Mayurandia red dragon. And there are a lot of different varieties of these, but this is the one that looked the most interesting to me. So yeah, I'm going to plant a bunch of those. Here is my second flower, Cryptostegia grandiflora. Very pretty flower that is supposedly very easy to grow, and yeah, that is going to be great to see how that works out. And here is another tree, the Bauhinia purpurea, also known as the Hong Kong orchid tree. It's not an orchid though, it's a tree, and yeah, that is going to be very interesting to see how that works out. Another tree, Pterospermum acerifolium, and is also known as a dinner plate tree because apparently the leaves grow so large that you can use them as actual dinner plates. Yeah, very nice white flower there. I mean, that's what usually I go on when I want to buy seeds. I go on the flowers that they produce, and also this is a bit different because it supposedly produces leaves that are so large that I just want to see how that will look like. So that is going into my garden. And finally, I'm also going to plant, yep, you guessed it, I'm going to plant baobab tree seeds. Baobabs, they're also known as the upside down tree. I think they're from Africa originally. They grow to be these large trees, so that'll be interesting how that ends up looking. 60 centimeters to 15 meters. Yeah, we'll see how that'll go in my small apartment. So here are the mugs that I'm going to germinate the flame of the forest seeds in, the weird flat seeds. And you see, because I always want to, when I'm doing something, I want to optimize it. I want to make sure that I'm doing the best that I can with the knowledge that is available to me. So what I've done is I have marked it like flame for flame of the forest, and I've marked up the date when I'm planting them. But I've also put out this scribble here. So there's one that is flat, one that is horizontal. Then on this one, for instance, we have a vertical one. So I have 3 of each. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the seeds, and I'm going to plant the seeds because I have 6 seeds in total that I'm going to plant. 3 of them I'm going to plant like this, put them down like that, and just cover it with dirt so it's standing up basically in the dirt. Those are going to be the vertical ones. And 3 of them I'm going to plant just lying them down like that and covering them with dirt, because I want to see whether it makes a difference if they're standing up or if they're just lying down. And I'll make sure to plant them standing up in the same way. This looks like the top of the, kind of looks like a kidney, like a mango. I think that is the top. Yeah, so I'm going to do that because I want to see whether it makes a difference. Now it's all up to the plants to do their thing. So the Hong Kong orchid tree apparently has pretty big seeds as well. Look at those things. Jesus Christ. These dinner plate tree seeds, look at them. They look like small tea bags. Look at that. Isn't that weird? Pretty big as well. Finally done, and that is a lot of pots. Wow, I'm going to have my hands full. That is like the understatement of the month. Yeah. So, I've been planting all day and I've been moving pots all around my room, and now comes the final part. I'm going to plant these baobab tree seeds, and apparently you're supposed to soak them in water, but there are different methods to this. I've read about it online a bit, and what the people from that I bought the seeds from, Plant World Seeds, they say that you should scratch the seeds so you can see, because the seed is inside. There's like a brown shell outside, and it's lighter on the inside, the actual seed. So you should abrade a small portion of each seed, so you expose it, and soak it in water for 24 hours before sowing it. But I've also seen a guy on the internet basically pours boiling water over them, and then he uses that to soak them for a while. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to braid all 4 seeds, and 2 of these seeds I'm going to soak in regular water, and 2 of them I will soak in boiling water. Like, I will pour boiling water over them and let them soak in that for a while. So that will be interesting to see whether that will work or not. And this is what they look like after I've abraded them. And I told you that it was going to be lighter inside. Yeah, it seems that they're darker inside actually. But I'm not going to go further than this to discover if they're actually lighter even further beneath. So I'm just going to try this out. Maybe the guys were using a different kind of variety. So I'm going to try this out. So these 2 have been soaked in boiling water, and I'll just leave them there for 24 hours and let it cool off. These are just soaked in lukewarm water, and we'll see whether it makes a difference or not. I hope I didn't kill these 2 with the boiling water. Finally, they are in the dirt, or the soil rather. So I have 4 planted now, and the ones that say hot, because I've labeled them, I always label. The ones that say hot, they are the ones that have been soaked in boiling water from the beginning, and the ones that don't have anything else on them except their name have been in lukewarm water from the beginning. So we'll see which one comes first. Oh, finally, everything is planted, everything is potted, everything has been unpacked. Oh god, that took a long while, but it's going to be worth it in the end. Now I just have to wait. Always the hard part, but wow, there's going to be like flowers explode or plants exploding everywhere in here. It's going to be an exploding plant festival, something. That is going to be the name of the video. Exploding Plant Festival. That is the name of the video. So I hope you liked this video of me showing off planting my seeds and all that. If you did, leave a like. If you have some comments or criticisms or feedback, wishing me luck, leave a comment in the comments field. And if you want to see the exploding plant festival going on in the future, then subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Take care.